Why are 5 gram gold bars so popular? Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. I hope you're all doing well and that you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out here on Future Investments. So today I want to talk to you about 5 gram gold bars and specifically this Royal Mint 5 gram gold bar. Now they're extremely popular, but why are they so popular when you've got the benefits of just going and buying a coin, say a Gold Britannia, which is capital gains tax exempt and VAT free? Whereas the bars are not. Yet people still go and buy lots of 5 gram gold bars and other size gold bars. Why do people do this and why are they so popular? Well, there's a lot of reasons, I suppose, that they are very popular. The first has to be that they are literally stunning. I mean, for me personally, and there's probably some people that might disagree with this, but personally I think the bars have a bigger wow factor than coins. I don't really know why that is. I can only assume it's because of the stigma that is in movies and stuff like that. You know, when they do like the Italian job, they always steal gold bricks and stuff like that. They don't really steal gold coins. But the bars just have, for me personally, a really big wow factor. I tend to find if I'm ever showing somebody my stack, it's not normally the coins that they look at first, it's the bars. I don't know whether it's because they're in these blister cards, which definitely do have this attractiveness to them. It makes the item seem larger, it makes it seem more substantial. It's got all this posh writing. If you wouldn't know what the Royal Mint is, it would look fancy to a new investor who's being shown these specific pieces. But the bars, yeah, a lot of people do buy bars. But why would you buy bars when you can go out and buy a 1/4 ounce Gold Britannia coin or even a 1 ounce Gold Britannia coin? Because as we know in the United Kingdom, if you're buying Britannia coins in terms of gold, it's capital gains tax exempt, meaning you don't pay any tax upon sale of that item, and you also don't pay any VAT, any VAT, when you purchase the item. However, that doesn't equate for the gold bars. I mean, when you buy these, you have to pay VAT, and then when you sell them, you have to pay capital gains tax. So why would anybody buy these bars? It's a difficult one, but I can tell you one thing. This gold bar alone is my most popular piece on my YouTube channel. And the reason I say that is my most viewed video, which has over 15,000 views, hundreds of likes, hundreds of comments, is solely just talking about this 5 gram gold bar. Now that video is about 2 years old, and it's when I actually bought this bar and did an unboxing. Now I've done other videos on 5 gram gold bars, such as this 5 gram Pamp Gold Bar I bought end of last year. Now Pamp's very popular, as we know, but this video didn't do anywhere near as well as the Royal Mint's gold bar unboxing. So why is that? Possibly it's just the algorithm, maybe something I put in the title and the description. Could just be the timing that I uploaded the video, or the fact that I uploaded it when I was a new channel and maybe YouTube was trying to give me a little bit of a boost as a new channel, who knows. But one thing is for sure, the Royal Mint definitely take the trophy for popularity in the UK when it comes to precious metals. And I do find that when somebody says, oh, Royal Mint, or I have Royal Mint Gold, it has this wow factor that really does surround the item with a bit more stigma than maybe something like a Herius bar or a Metacam bar. So the Royal Mint, yeah, it could be the fact that people love Royal Mint gold bars. I don't know if many of you are buying other bars that are not from the Royal Mint. I mean, I obviously have. I've got this 5 gram Pamp bar. Now, what do I prefer? Well, it's still got to be the Royal Mint bar, simply because it's British. I love the Britannia. I love the designs of the Royal Mint. I think they put a lot more effort into it, and I prefer their security features. But again, why would you buy that gold bar when you can just go out and buy Gold Britannia coins, like this one, for example, that I've got here? This is a legal tender because technically you could spend it in the shop, and it's got, oh, there we go, don't drop it. As you can see here, it's actually got £25 on the surface, and that makes it legal tender, which therefore makes it capital gains tax exempt and VAT exempt, so you don't pay any VAT when you buy it. However, I could not take this 5 gram gold bar into a shop and simply say, look, I'm going to pay for my food shopping, for example, with this gold bar. It's just not going to happen because you legally cannot do it. So why do people still purchase these bars if there's no way near as many positives as to buying Gold Britannia coins? I mean, I'm struggling to find the answer here. It could be just because of the fact that they're extremely stunning. Bars have this wow factor, maybe over coins a little bit. At the end of the day, it's still a gold investment. Gold, as we know, is the best hedge against inflation to protect your finances. And maybe somebody literally buys bars over coins just because they prefer bars. And there's nothing wrong with that. They may be aware of the fact that you pay capital gains tax exempt and VAT when you buy it, and they just don't care because at the end of the day, they're still putting their money in an investment. Now, obviously, there's nothing wrong with purchasing something that has VAT when you buy it and capital gains tax, tax when you sell it, because it's still an investment. But it's just strange, I find, that people go so mad for these bars. If I was to stick this online, it would probably sell within the day. They're so popular, especially Royal Mint. Stuff from the Royal Mint is so desired, it's crazy. If you've actually got any of the Royal Mint's gold in this older style packaging that it used to be green, wow, then you're onto a winner, because these are really, really desired, I found. When you look on, for example, say you go and search on eBay for 1 gram gold bars, it will actually be very difficult to find 1 gram gold bars in this green packaging from the Royal Mint, because the Royal Mint no longer makes it in this packaging anymore. They changed it over to this white one, which is absolutely lovely. But it's like anything, isn't it? People always want what they can't have, and especially when it comes to collecting, people want to add to their stack what you can no longer buy in this reason from a bullion dealer. So these green packaging from the Royal Mint does make it more desirable. Now, that's a bar, it doesn't come with the coins. So again, even though it's a 1 gram gold bar, the premiums are extortionately high. Most of you investors probably don't want to buy these. It's still popular because it's a bar and people love bars. I started my investment journey with bars. So that could be another reason why bars are more popular than coins. Maybe there's, the fact that you can get a lower denomination weight of gold is a good way for investors to start investing in gold, and then maybe they feel like they have a loyalty. I've mentioned it many times how I have this sort of a soft spot for 1 gram gold bars because it's my entry into the precious metals market, and if they were never around, I probably would have never invested in gold. So there's definitely that argument for bars, but in regards to the actual financial benefits, in my opinion, coins completely outweigh bars when it comes to financial investments because of the benefits that coins possess that bars do not. So I'd love to know what you think about these gold bars and whether you actually have any or you just stack gold coins. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye guys. To see another episode on gold bars, click the video now.